In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer site ownership. If you're handing off a website to a client or teammate in Wix, there's a built-in workflow that keeps everything organized and secure. To start, make sure you're logged into the correct Wix account and that you're the current owner of the site you want to transfer. Only the site owner can complete this process. From your Wix account, head to the site dashboard for the site you're transferring. This is your control center for settings, roles, and permissions. Once you're there, open Settings, then find and select Roles and Permissions. This section lets you see who currently has access to the site and what they can do. Before you can transfer ownership, you need to invite the future owner to the site. Click Invite People and enter the new owner's email address. It's best to use the email they'll keep long term. When you're asked to choose a role, assign them admin, sometimes labeled as co-owner. This gives them broad control while you remain the official owner until the handoff is complete. Send the invite and let them know to check their inbox. If they don't see it, they should look in spam or promotions. If they don't have a Wix account yet, they'll be prompted to create one during acceptance. Once they accept the invitation, return to Roles and Permissions in the same site. You should now see their name listed with the admin role. Next to their name, click the three dots to open more actions and choose Make Owner. This is the command that officially transfers ownership of the site to them. Wix will ask you to confirm the transfer. Read the prompt carefully because this changes who controls the site. When you confirm, ownership moves to the new person immediately. You'll typically remain on the team with a role such as admin, unless the new owner adjusts your access later. Keep in mind that ownership affects who can manage key settings, billing, and certain connected services. If anything critical is tied to your account, align with the new owner on responsibilities ahead of time. And that's it. You invited the new owner, verified their access, promoted them to owner, and confirmed the transfer, all from the Roles and Permissions area. This approach ensures a smooth, secure transition without disrupting the site. If you ever need the owner to change again, the new owner can repeat the same process on their end.